Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to welcome you to County Court at Law number 2. My name is Judge Terrence Holmes. I'm the presiding judge here in County Court at Law number 2. You have been asked to come to court this morning for one of our 3 dockets. We have a jury trial docket, pretrial conference docket, and an announcement docket. When I call your name, please come forward with your attorney. If your attorney is not here, we'll wait for your attorney to arrive because your attorney may be in another court handling another matter. If you are representing yourself, or if you do not have an attorney representing you, when I call your name, please come before the court by yourself. First case is cause number 26CCCR 0742, case is filed in the state of Texas versus Maitland Maurice Maxwell. Ms. Maxwell is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Maxwell, you can take your mic off of mute. How are you doing, Mr. Maxwell?
I'm doing well, Judge. You?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Maxwell, you're representing your case by your attorney, Todd Takash. Attorney Takash is not here.
Alexandra Liberatory.
Alexandra what?
Liberatory.
Liberatory?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have attorney Alexandra Liberatory, who is appearing in place of Todd Takash. Does attorney Liberatory have your permission to stand in the place of Todd Takash?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Ms. Liberatory, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. State is represented in this case by attorney Cornelius Williams. And Mr. Williams, how are you doing?
Very well, Your Honor. How are you and your exceptional staff?
We're doing fine. Thanks for asking.
You're welcome.
And Ms. Liberatory, what is your announcement in Mr. Maxwell's case?
If I may, Judge, there had been a discovery issue, but I was able to complete discovery today, and an offer will be forthcoming.
Okay, give us a reset date. Okay, this case will be reset to June 29th of 2026. And Mr. Maxwell, on that day, you need to be in court in person. Stay in contact with your attorney. You're free to go. Again, that case is, the court date is June 29, 2026 at 9 a.m. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
You too, Your Honor.
You're welcome, Ms. Attorney Liberatory. You're free to go as well. And you have a blessed day. You're welcome. Dante Grant. Mr. Grant.
How you doing, Judge?
I'm doing fine. How are you doing? That's good. Mr. Grant, you're represented by your attorney, Attorney Nathan Reynolds. And Mr. Reynolds, how are you doing?
Do well, thank you.
That's good. Now, Mr. Reynolds, I see that you appointed in Mr. Grant's cases.
Are you showing the resisting, Your Honor?
Yeah, I have a
Because there's some.
resistant. There's a assault,
Yes, sir.
and then there's a resistant. Apparently, the resistant, he was appointed on the resistant May 27th. So apparently, once the new case came down,
Okay.
Because you was on the old case, you get a automatically run out a new case.
Okay, the 27th was like Thursday,
Right, last week.
so I'd asked for a reset to get both cases together.
Okay. Give us a reset date. It's gonna be June 29th. Okay, this case is reset June 29th, 2026. Now, Mr. Reynolds, did you get discovery in the older case?
I haven't had that, Judge.
Okay,
I need to get you the discovery
Yes.
and the resistance and make it available.
I'll get a letter.
okay. So, Mr. Grant, your cases are reset until June 29th, 2026 at 9 AM. You go get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go.
Sir.
And you have a blessed day. Please stand in front of the court coordinator. And let's see, Mr. Reynolds.
Mr. Daniel Kimball.
Nathaniel Campbell. Hey. They look like Mike. Okay. This is Mr. Campbell. This is cause number, is that 25 CCCR 2972 and cause number 25 CCCR 2973. Both cases are style of state of Texas versus Nathaniel Campbell. And Mr. Campbell, is that your full name?
Junior.
Junior?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How are you doing, Mr. Campbell?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking.
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Campbell, you are represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney Nathan Reynolds. And Mr. Reynolds, I see that Mr. Campbell has a felony case.
I believe the felony arose out of the same set of circumstances. He's been to Judge Bradley's court and has a reset on that case.
Okay,
Your chief. Let's see, it's been reset to July 6th.
okay, so we're gonna reset, okay, we're gonna reset these two cases till the same day.
I'd like to do that.
Oh, he got it on his, yeah, he has his paperwork. So it's gonna be July 6th of 2026 at 9 AM. And Mr. Campbell, on that day, what you do, because you have those two cases set at the same time, you come here, check it with our bailiff, let her know that you have to go down the hall to the felony court. And once you finish in the felony court, come back here and let us know what happened.
No problem.
Okay, now let's see. And Mr. Reynolds, have you received discovery in these cases?
I have, Judge.
Have you received an offer of state is holding off on an offer with the felony?
I haven't asked for an offer. I was gonna see what will hand out.
Yeah, we would wait for the felony, and then if they didn't resolve it, we would make an offer at that time, Judge.
Okay, give us okay, the reset is July 6, 2026. Mr. Campbell, you can get your reset. Once you get your recess, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you. Same to you.
All right, thank you.
I think that's all I have.
Let's see, let's make sure. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
All right, you're free to go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. West.
I've never done that.
Mr. West, you have a case? I'm looking for you.
Yeah, one on the trial docket, and then I have an announcement from Mr. Nix.
Who's on the trial now?
Tyler. We're ready.
Tyler.
Thought I wasn't, I reached out, I let her rep this morning again.
Oh, okay, Tyler. Calvin Dwayne Tyler.
Yeah.
Calvin Dwayne Tyler. Mr. Tyler, your full name is Calvin Dwayne Tyler Jr. How you doing, Mr. Tyler? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Tyler. You're represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney John West. And Mr. West, how are you doing?
Right, Your Honor, thank you.
That's good. And Mr. West, what's your announcement?
Ready, Your Honor.
State?
State's not ready, Judge. We only got ready on the top, three cases. The oldest, in cases, Judge, above 900 days.
Yes, oh, I saw the docket.
Okay. Well, let me do this here. I'll just hold and see
How we go?
where we are. Yeah.
Good. Good. Thank
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
you. All right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then, grab a seat. Second. I'm also, Your Honor, here, for Mr. Nix on an announcement docket. He,
I saw
he
these.
was, had some issues this morning, freaked out and sent me a text. He needs to end up on Brian Tully.
Next. Okay. Brian Tully. Let me see if I might have some, if we got bond conditions on Tully. Thank you.
They'll suggest to
Let me-
lay it on.
Yeah, I'm gonna
just
just, it's out, as
Yeah,
soon as
of
we
course.
break and talk to knowledge. That was the issue, and all we had was wanting to check. Perfect.
This case is on the announcement docket. Tully, Nix. We don't do that. We don't need that. It's like, it's 12:45, right?
No, not if he's.
Tully. Nix. Okay. Okay, coming over. Yeah, I don't see bond conditions. Let me see, let me see. Mr. Tully, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Jason Nick, and Attorney Nix is not here. Standing in for Attorney Nix is Attorney John West. Does Mr. West have your permission to stand in for Attorney Nix?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, Mr. West, well, first of all, Mr. Tully, how are you doing?
I'm doing good, sir. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Now, Mr. West, what is your announcement in Mr. Tully's case?
You know, if we can get a resetting, Mr. Nix now has an offer I've related to him. He needs a chance to talk to his client to figure out if they want to settle it.
Okay. Give us a reset date. That's the 29th.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this case will be reset to June 29th, 2026 at 9 AM. Mr. Tully, before you get your reset, I need to give you some bond conditions. And these are standard bond conditions in County Court at Law number 2. And it states, following return of a criminal information in County Court at Law number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed for release of any defendant named herein are ordered subject to the additional condition. Number 1, defendants shall commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state, or of the United States. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Condition number 2, defendants shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so by the court, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol, and the test indicates the presence of drugs and alcohol in the defendant's body. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
And condition number 3, the defendant shall not communicate either directly or indirectly with the alleged victim, Earl White, of the pending offense, and the defendant shall not go near any residence, school, or other location frequented by the alleged victim. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Now, condition number 4 and condition number 5 does not apply. Now, Mr. Tully, if you violate any one of these conditions, your bond can be forfeited, and if your bond is forfeited, a warrant will be issued for your arrest. Or your bond will be revoked, and you'll be arrested and placed in the Jefferson County Jail. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you're gonna get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day. And Mr. West, okay,
Yeah, Mr.
okay. Okay, let's. Somebody still have a tablet, unless I could use yours. I could use yours. Who do you have?
Yeah.
Okay. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session and cause number 25 CCCR 1400. Case is filed with State of Texas versus Tessa P. Garcia. Ms. Garcia, is that your full name?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Garcia, would you please raise your right hand? You swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. Ms. Garcia, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. Garcia?
Well,
That's good. Ms. Garcia, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney John Matthews. And Attorney Matthews, how are you doing?
Yes.
Okay. You doing all right?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I thought you hadn't finished the question. I just heard, are you?
I say, how are you
Oh,
doing?
I'm good. Yes, sir. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Now, the state is represented in this case by Attorney Samuel Maseratian. Attorney Maseratian, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge. Thank you.
That's good. And Mr. Matthews, do you waive a record in Ms. Garcia's case?
We do, Your Honor.
Ms. Garcia, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Tessa P. Garcia, on or about April 30th of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal trespass. Ms. Garcia, do you understand what you have been charged with? And to this charge, Ms. Garcia, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
no contest.
Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges? That's what no contest means.
Yes, sir.
And Ms. Garcia, I also have a document before me on my tablet that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments, also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. You recognize this document?
Yes, Your
On page 2 of the same document, there's a set of initials, TPG, on a line next to a box that's checked no contender, which means no contest. You place your initials on this document. On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, Your Honor.
On the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification, the defendant, uh-oh. This thing just went out.
What?
Hold on, I need it. Nah, I need it.
This is your experience.
Okay, but I was in the middle of it. They probably gonna lock me out.
What's about it?
It just went out on
Is that a full dismissal?
me.
Always got tried.
I think that means we can't go through with the plea.
Oh,
It's a trial.
that means I have to come back. Touche. We'll just wait for we'll just wait for the tablet to load back up.
What's thing or not?
Oh, you do.
Just-
Well,
I just charge it back up.
you could give it him.
Okay. Yeah, you're gonna have to charge it. Yeah, I don't know, it just went. Just blacked out. I don't see if I have to get in it. Let's see, I think I was on, let me get it. Okay. I guess it shut it down automatically. Let's see, we did that one. That's a signature. Now, I have another document that is titled Trial Court Certification, the Defendant's Right of Appeal. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, Your
And is this your signature on the line that's titled
Honor.
Defendant?
Yes, Your
At the top of this document, there are two boxes checked. The first box is checked, states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? Second box is checked, states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? I also have another document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, Your
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? Now, Ms. Garcia, before you signed and initialed all of the documents that I just showed you, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, Your
Ms. Garcia, Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
State up for States Exhibit 1, Your Honor.
Any objections to State's Exhibit 1?
No,
No objections. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Matthews, you advised and counsel Ms. Garcia. Is there any evidence that she is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
no, Your Honor. I believe she's competent to stand trial. She's been able to assist me and communicate with me throughout this process.
Excuse me.
What are you looking for?
And Ms. Garcia, your attorney, Mr. Matthews, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with the services?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ms. Garcia. I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
That'd be 4 days in the county jail with credit for 4 days time served, court cost, tax, retired.
What's the court cost?
277.
Ms. Garcia, the state is offering that you serve 4 days in Jefferson County Jail. However, you would not be required to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail because you've already served 4 days in Jefferson County Jail. Therefore, you'll be given credit for the time that you have already served. The court costs in this case will be taxed and retired. That simply means that you would not be required to pay the court costs because the time that you have spent in jail has already paid off the court costs. Therefore, the court costs will be taxed and retired. Ms. Garcia, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes,
You think the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
yes,
Do you accept the state's offer?
yes, sir.
Ms. Garcia, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Ms. Garcia, you'll stand at the end of that table, follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following the directions of the bailiff, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day. And Attorney Matthews, you're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
You're good.
Thanks.
Andre Illen. Court is back in session. Court is in session in cause number 26CCCR 0418. Case is style the state of Texas versus Andre F. Illen. Mr. Illen, is that your full name?
Thank you.
Yes? Let's see, judgment, complaint. Now, Mr. Illen, would you please raise the right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth so help you God? Okay, you may put your hand down. How are you doing? You doing all right? All right. Now, Mr. Illen, you're represented in your case by your attorney Larry Bailey. Attorney Bailey, how are you doing?
Doing fine.
That's good. State is represented in this case by attorney Cornelius Williams. In fact, Mr. Williams, again, how are you doing?
I'm doing very well, thank you, Judge.
That's good. Now, Mr. Illen, I have before me a complaint that was filed. Let's see. It's precinct. I have a complaint that was filed by the Jefferson County Sheriff's Office. In this complaint, it alleges that you, Andre F. Illen, on or about May 22nd of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class C misdemeanor offense of speeding. Mr. Illen, do you understand what you have been charged with? To this charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No.
Guilt, no contest? Okay, now, are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges? Okay. Let's see. Mr. Illen, I also have before me on my computer tablet a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment, is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document? Okay, on page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials, AI on a line next to a box that's checked no contendere, which means no contest. Did you place your initials on this document? On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Signature. Is this your signature? And on the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand this statement? Second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? I also have another document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? Mr. Illen, before you signed and initialed these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you? And did you understand everything that your attorney went over? And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Mr. Illen, are you a citizen of the United States? Okay. And what country are you from?
Russia.
Russia. Okay, let's see. Get a mandatory notification. Okay. I guess he'll have to sign the bottom portion. You can go over that with him.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Illen, I have before me a document that is entitled for foreign nationals for mandatory notification countries. Do you recognize this document? Now, is this your signature on the line as title signature? Okay, now, let's do this here. I'm gonna go back to State's Exhibit number 1. We're going back to page 1 of State's Exhibit number 1. At the bottom of this document, there's a paragraph that is titled Citizenship. It states that if you're not a U.S. citizen or plead guilty or another contingent, it may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to this country, or denial of naturalization under federal law. Do you understand that? Okay. I need to have in the initial, the bottom, under the paragraph.
Initial. Your initial.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, okay. Now, Mr. Illen, before you sign and initial all of the documents, where's the other one? Okay. Do you have a discovery certification?
He already gave it to
I
you.
do too. too.
Oh, I gave it back. Here it is. Here it is. Okay, now, before you sign and initial all of the documents that I'm showing you, did your attorney go over these documents with you? And did you understand everything that your attorney was? And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Okay, Mr. Okay, State, you like to offer State's Exhibit number 1 in evidence?
So tendered, Your Honor.
Any objections to
No
State's Exhibit number 1?
objection.
No objection, State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. And Mr. Bailey, you advised and counseled Mr. Illen. Is there any evidence that he's currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, sir.
And Mr. Bailey, pursuant to the case of Padilla versus Kentucky, did you advise your client as to the consequences of him pleading guilty of no contest since he is not a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Mr. Illen, are you satisfied with the services of your attorney? Okay. Mr. Illen, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
It would be a $50 fine plus court costs. Is that correct, Mr. Bailey?
That is correct.
Okay, what's the court cost in this case?
277.
Okay, Mr. Illen, the state is offering that you pay a fine of $50 plus court costs of $277, which comes to a total of $327. Are you able to pay the $327 court costs there? Okay? And now, Mr. Illen, do you understand the state's offer? And do you accept the state's offer? Mr. Illen, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Illen, you will stand at the end of that table, follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following the directions of the bailiff, you go downstairs, make the payment, and come back upstairs with the receipt and give it to the court coordinator. Then you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, you're welcome. You have a blessed day as well.
Your Honor, may I approach?
Okay.
It's on trial case. It's gonna be good. Motion to dismiss.
On which case?
It's on Dantavian Collier. It's Miss Nixon's case.
You say it's on the trial doc?
It is, Your Honor.
Collier.
It's Nixon. Dantavian Collier's on the trial.
Yeah, I have.
Yeah,
That's all. Good.
Right, I just wanted, he wanted to know what document it was on.
yeah, okay. This is cause number 25 CCCR or 0988. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Dantavian Collier. Mr. Collier, would you please come forward? She's doing it now. Good morning. How are you doing, Mr. Collier? That's good. Now, Mr. Collier, you are represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney James Paget. And Mr. Paget, how are you doing?
I'm doing well. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. And the state is represented in this case by Attorney Farrah Nixon. Ms. Nixon, how are you doing?
I'm fine. I'm fine. How you doing, Your Honor?
Okay,
I was trying to say hi and I'm fine.
that's good. Now, Ms. Nixon, my understanding that the state is dismissing Mr. Collier's case? Is that
Yes, Your
correct?
Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Collier, the state is announcing that they are dismissing your case. I'll be signing the dismissal in a few minutes, once I get it from the clerk. Okay, so you'll be able to get a copy of this dismissal from our court coordinator. Once you get a copy of this dismissal, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day. Just have a seat in that first chair on the wall. I think she's still working on it. Travis, is that Greg?
Your Honor, on Mr. Bragg, well, I guess we'll wait till he approaches.
This is on the announcement docket, yeah.
Absolutely.
This is cause number 25 CCCR 2898. Case style of state of Texas versus Travis A. Gregg. Mr. Gregg, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Gregg?
Good, and so.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Gregg, you're representing the case by your attorney, Attorney James Paget. And Mr. Paget, what is your announcement in Mr. Gregg's case?
Ms. Nixon, do you want to explain or do you want me to? I
Oh,
don't.
Your Honor, can we just hold on this one?
I'll hold,
Come
okay.
back.
Just have a seat, I'll hold.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Did he show up? Aaron Wars, is that Mr. Macon's case? I don't see, is Mr. Wars here?
He was taken into custody in 257.
Okay, so he was arrested in district court?
Yes, and James offered the
What?
felony prosecutors to dismiss the.
Yeah.
Oh, they dismissing it? Okay,
Send it to you.
okay. Okay, if you want a copy of the dismissal, I can, you can.
have the forfeiture.
That's just.
I'll say you just have to sign the forfeiture.
And I'll take that down to.
Oh.
Just a second.
They could bring him over here. He's still in custody. They could have him transported.
They're waiting on to test.
Okay. Collier,
What do you want me to do?
no, they say they ready to, they're waiting to test him on something. Yeah, Dantavian Collier,
That's one.
Okay.
We just dismissed.
I'm signing the dismissal, or he's,
Judge.
okay.
Do you have to? Have to. I didn't give up.
Okay, this is Collier. Okay, so we're not ready on Davis. Who is Aaron Ward?
That's a dismissal. That's the man.
Oh, that's the one they're gonna do a forfeiture on that. Now, who is Elvin Bryant?
That's a plea.
For who? Macy? Okay, Elvin Bryant? Who's the prosecutor? That's Miss Nixon. 38.
Otherwise.
That's Macy. 38. Okay. Jefferson County Court, law number 2 is in session in 2 cases, cause numbers 25 CCCR 2538 and cause number 25 CCCR 2539. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Elvin Bryant. Mr. Bryant, is that your full name?
Yes.
Mr. Bryant, would you please raise your right hand? Swear firm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. Mr. Bryant, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Bryant?
I'm pretty good today. How about yourself?
Oh, I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Bryant, you're represented in your cases by your attorney, John Macy. And Mr. Macy, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Your Honor. Thanks for asking. How about yourself?
Well, I'm doing fine. Thanks as well. Now, Mr. Macy, do you waive a record in Mr. Bryant's cases?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Bryant, I have before me in cause number 25 CCCR 2538, a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Elvin Bryant, on or about April 23rd of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed Class B misdemeanor offense of possession of marijuana that had a weight less than 2 ounces. Mr. Bryant, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, Your Honor.
To this charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest?
No contest.
Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges? Mr. Bryant, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment, is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document?
Yes.
On page 2 of the same document, there's a set of initials on the line next to a box that's checked no contingent, which means no contest. So place your initials on this top.
Yes, sir.
On page 3 of the same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Is this your signature? And on the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification, the defendant's right of appeal, you recognize this document.
Yes.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, sir.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
Second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
I also have a document that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, good.
Mr. Bryant, before you signed and initialed all of these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, good.
Did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Absolutely.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Bryant, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
State, you like to offer State's Exhibit Number 1?
So help you, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
No objection. State's Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Macy, you advise and counsel Mr. Bryant. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
And Mr. Bryant, your attorney, Mr. Macy, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Has he provided fully effective and competent legal representation?
Absolutely.
Mr. Bryant, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you're mentally competent to stand trial. I also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reason without state. Do we have a plea bargaining agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
The sentence term as follows: 2 days in county jail, time served, time actually served, with a 1245 unadjudicated plea in case 25 CCCR 2539 with a forfeited weapon to BPD.
BPD. The court costs in 38.
277.
27, okay. Okay, Mr. Bryant, the state is offering that you serve 2 days in Jefferson County Jail. You will not be required to serve any more time in Jefferson County Jail on this case because you've already served 2 days in Jefferson County Jail. Therefore, you'll be given credit for the 2 days that you've already served. The court cost in this case is $277. You'll be given 2 days credit toward the $277, which is $200. So that leaves a balance of $77. Will you be able to pay the $77 balance today? All right. The state will be doing a 1245 of the Texas Penal Code dismissal in this case. Well, in the next case, which is cause number 25 CCCR or 2539, and I also have before me a motion to forfeit the weapon in that case to the police department. You recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line inside of the
Yes,
defense?
it is.
Now, before you signed this document, did your attorney go over this document with you?
Yes, it
And
did.
did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, Your Honor.
And is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
I also have a request to consider unadjudicated offenses, which is 1245 of the Texas Penal Code. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes.
And is everything in this document true and correct to the best of
Yes,
your
sir.
knowledge? Okay. I'm signing, granting the motion to forfeit the weapon to the Beaumont Police Department. Also signing the 1245. Okay, now, Mr. Bryant, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
Do you accept the state's offer?
Yes.
Mr. Bryant, I'll follow a plea bargaining agreement that you have entered into the state. Now, Mr. Bryant, you're gonna stand next to the bailiff, follow her directions. Once you finish following her directions, you go downstairs, make your payment, and come back upstairs with the receipt. Okay? And you have a blessed day. Make sure she get that, yes, she has to print it. Exactly. Okay, that's Mr. Macy. Okay, Ms. Macy, is that your last case?
It is, Your Honor.
Okay, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. You sent Haley's cases,
I saw, son on Davis.
Davis?
Yeah.
Kenneth Lee Davis? What I,
Davis is only,
okay, Galmore. Okay. This is cause number 26 CCCR 0028. Case is styled the state of Texas. Hold on a minute, no. This is cause number 25 CCCR 2392. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Kenneth Lee Davis. Mr. Davis, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Davis, would you please raise your right hand? You swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. Mr. Davis, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Davis? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Davis, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Dustin Galmore. Attorney Galmore is not here, however, standing in for Attorney Galmore is Attorney Haley Simmons. Does Ms. Simmons have your permission to stand in for Attorney Galmore? And Ms. Simmons, excuse me, Ms. Simmons, how are you doing?
I'm great, Judge, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Ms. Simmons, do you waive a record in Mr. Davis's case?
We do, Your Honor.
Mr. Davis, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Kenneth Lee Davis, on or about May 11th of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, operating a motor vehicle in a public place, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated with an alcohol concentration of 0.15 or more. Mr. Davis, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, sir.
And to this charge, Mr. Davis, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest?
Mhm.
Now, you're pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Yes.
Hold on, back up. You're pleading guilty because you are guilty, not contest the charges. You pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Mr. Davis, also I have before me on my tablet a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials, KD, on a line next to a box that says check guilty. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled defendant, is this your signature? And on the next document that's titled trial court certification, the defendant's right of appeal, you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargaining case and you have no right to appeal. Do you understand that statement? Second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? I also have another document that is titled discovery certification. You recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? Now, Mr. Davis, before you signed and initialed these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes.
And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Mr. Davis, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
State offers States Exhibit 1.
Any objection? No objection. States Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. And Mr. Ms. Simmons, you've advised and counseled Mr. Davis. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
Not at all, Your Honor.
And Mr. Davis, your attorney, Ms. Simmons, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with her representation? Your attorney, Dustin Galmore, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his consultation? Now, Mr. Davis, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
The essential terms are as follows: 180 days in county jail probated over 1 year, $750 fine, 60 hours of community service, interlock, and standard DWI terms and conditions.
That's part of it.
What's the court cost in this case?
377.
I was gonna say.
Okay, Mr. Davis, the state is offering that you serve 180 days in Jefferson County Jail. However, you will not be required to serve 180 days in Jefferson County Jail because you've been placed on probation for 1 year. During the 1 year probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $750 plus court costs of $377. You'll be required to pay a DWI conviction fine fee of $100 will be required to pay a probation fee of $6,000 a month, your analysis fee $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15. You'll also be required to pay Jefferson County GW Education and initial evaluation fee of $125 on the day of the plea. Should a further evaluation be needed, you'll be required to pay an additional $50. Now, your total monthly installments, that is a total amount that you will be required to pay each month while you're on probation is $195 a month. Are you able to pay the $195 a month?
Yes, sir.
You will also be required to perform 60 hours of community service, install an interlock device or any vehicle that you own or operate, attend a completed DW education class, have an alcohol assessment, and adhere to the other standard term of DWI probation. Mr. Davis, do you understand the state's offer? Do you accept the state's offer?
Yes,
Mr. Davis, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Davis, you're gonna stand at the end of that table, follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following the directions of the bailiff, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day. Thank you. Who's the next client? Is that Walt? Tamayo?
Yeah.
Is it Tamayo?
Yeah.
Aragon? Okay. Juan Carlos Tamayo Aragon? Oh, you need to fill that out?
Already discussed it with him on the side.
Oh. Oh, what country?
Mexico. Thank you, Judge.
The top one. Okay. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. Court is in session in call number 23 CCCR 1182. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Juan Carlos Tamayo Aragon. And Mr. Tamayo Aragon, is that your full name?
Yes.
Mr. Tamayo Aragon, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Mr. Tamayo Aragon, you may put your hand down. How are you doing?
Good, how are you, sir?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Tamayo Aragon, your attorney of record is Attorney Dustin Galmore. Attorney Galmore is not here. Standing in for Attorney Galmore is Attorney Haley Simmons. Does Ms. Simmons have your permission to stand in for Mr. Galmore? Okay, Ms. Simmons, did you waive a record in Mr. Tamayo Aragon's case?
We do, Your Honor.
Mr. Tamayo Aragon, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Juan Carlos Tamayo Aragon, on or about April 20th, 2023, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated with an alcohol concentration level of 0.15 or more. State, are you abandoning the enhancement paragraph?
Yes, Your Honor.
The state is abandoning the enhancement paragraph, Mr. Aragon. And what that means is, instead of being charged with a Class A misdemeanor, you'll be charged with a Class B misdemeanor, DWI, which is a lesser included offense. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Now, to the Class B misdemeanor, driving while intoxicated case, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
You.
Now, you're pleading guilty freely and voluntarily.
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Okay, now, Mr. Aragon. I have before me a document that is titled misdemeanor plea of minors was also labeled State Exhibit number 1. You recognize this document? Now you notice I wrote on here that this is a DWI first and the state abandons the enhancement paragraph. On page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials above the line that is titled next to the line that's titled guilty. The initials are, is that JT?
JD.
Okay. Did you place your initials on this document? On page 3 of the same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature? And on the next document that's titled trial court certification, the defendant's right of appeal, you recognize this document. And on this, your signature on the line that's titled defendants. At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked. It states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. You understand that statement? Second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to appeal, which means you're giving up your right to appeal. You understand that statement? You have to speak up. You have to speak up. Okay. And the next document I have is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
Now, and is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes.
State you have to sign. Now, Mr. Arrogant, before you signed and initialed these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Mr. Arrogant, let's see, you're not a citizen of the United States, is that correct?
He's a resident.
He's a resident, okay? You had that document?
I have it just with the discovery.
Okay, so the back of this. Now, Mr. Arrogant, I also have before me a document that is titled English Statement Number 1 for all foreign nationals, except those for mandatory notification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled signature?
Yes.
And there's one word that circle says no, and it's below the question and act. Do you want us to contact your consular officers at this time? And you said no, is that correct?
Correct.
And now, Mr. Arrogant, before you signed and initialed all of the documents that I just showed you, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes.
Did you understand everything that she went over?
Yes, sir.
Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? State, you like to offer State's Exhibit Number 1?
So offered, Your Honor.
Any
No
objections?
objections.
No objections. State's Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. And Ms. Simmons, you advised in counsel, Mr. Arrogant, is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
None, Your Honor. So
Mr. Arrogant, your attorney, Ms. Simmons has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with her representation?
Yes.
Has she provided full, effective, and competent legal representation? And Mr. Arrogant, your other attorney, Mr. Galmo, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation? Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Arrogant, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I'll also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. I also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, we do.
And what is that agreement?
Simple terms as follows. State abandons the enhancement, and asks if he served 90 days in county jail, probated over 1 year, $500 fine, 40 hours being service, and DWI standard terms and conditions.
correct, Your Honor.
What's the court cost? $392?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Arrogant, The state is offering that you serve 90 days in the Jefferson County Jail. However, you're not required to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail because you'll be placed on probation for a period of 1 year. During the 1 year probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $500 plus court costs of $392. You'll be required to pay DWI conviction fine fee of $100. You'll be required to pay a probation fee of $6 a month. You're now to be $15 a month. Reimbursement fee of $15. You'll also be required to pay Jefferson County DWI education an initial evaluation fee of $125 on the day of the plea. Should a further evaluation be needed, you'll be required to pay an additional $50. Now, your total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month, is $164 a month. Will you be able to pay the $164 each month?
Yes.
You'll also be required to perform 40 hours of community service, attend a completed DWI education class, have an alcohol assessment, and adhere to the other standard terms and conditions of this probation. Now, Mr. Aragon, you understand the state's offer?
Yes.
Do you think the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Aragon, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement that you have entered into the state. Mr. Aragon, you'll stand next to the bailiff, follow her directions. Once you finish following her directions, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day. You're welcome. You have
Sorry, this is this other pages.
Eduardo Linares.
He's present.
What are y'all doing on that? Eduardo Aguilar Linares?
This is our second setting, Judge. We just received an alternative. offer.
Okay. Is that Linares?
It's fine.
Mr. Linares, your full name is Eduardo Aguilar Linares?
Yes.
How are you doing?
Doing good.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, you're representing your case by your attorney, Dustin Galmore. Attorney Galmore is not here standing in for Attorney Galmore. Is Attorney Haley Simmons. Does Ms. Simmons have your permission to stand in for Attorney Galmore? And Ms. Simmons, what's your announcement in Mr. Linares' case?
Yes, Your Honor, this is our second setting, and we just received an alternative offer. We're asking for time for him to come into the office and review that with us.
Okay, give us a reset. This case is reset to June 29, 2026. Mr. Linares, you'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you will be free to go. And you have a blessed day. And you have David Rayner. He didn't appear. David Rayner.
Please hear you.
Oh. Mr. Rayner, like he got the oldest case. Mr. Rayner, your full name is David Rayner?
Yes, sir. David England Jr.
Hmm?
David England Jr.
Rayner Jr. Okay, how are you doing?
Doing good. How about yourself?
Oh, I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, you represented your case by your attorney, Attorney Dustin Galmore. Attorney Galmore is not here standing in for Mr. Galmore is Attorney Simmons, Attorney Haley Simmons. Does she have your permission to stand in for Attorney Galmore?
Yes, sir.
And Ms. Simmons, what's your announcement?
Your Honor, late last week was actually accepted into the pretrial diversion program.
Oh,
I
he
believe
was?
The next sighting is in August.
Okay. So he was accepted into pretrial.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pretrial diversion. Okay, that's the first Thursday in the month, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Reset him the second week in August. Rayner, page 2 at the top. He was accepted in he was accepted in pretrial diversion. That's August 10th. Your case is reset to August 10th, 2026. Now, if once you sign up, you will not have to come here on August the 10th. Okay, we just putting it on the calendar in case you do not sign your contract on August the 3rd. Is it?
Whatever that first Thursday.
The first
Judge.
Thursday in August, okay?
I'll discuss it.
So make sure you sign the contract. Okay. All right, you get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Ms. Simmons, is this your last case? You're free to go
Thank you, Judge.
and you have a blessed day. We have next. We have Martinez. Who is that? Rodrigo Alberto Martinez. Okay,
Your Honor, this is a non-US citizen with a Spanish.
okay. Did you fill out that,
We have to get it. I don't know if it's what
what country is he from?
they're just kind of.
What country is he from? Is it Mexico?
Yes.
Yeah, you would have to fill out the top portion. Houseless.
And we do have an interpreter.
Yeah, okay.
We're gonna use there?
Yeah, you said that she's interpreted before.
Uh,
Has she interpreted before or not?
in.
If not, we can, yeah, in court. Okay, let's get, we could get Jennifer. She's not gonna be too long. Jennifer can interpret right quick.
Okay, that's fine.
Maybe some legal terms she might not understand.
Yeah.
Okay, get Jennifer.
All right.
Okay.
Is she coming right now or?
Yeah, that's, we calling her right now. Okay, that other lady, she can come up and stand next to us. I guess she went over the paperwork with us.
Yes, we've gone over kind of. This says that he was. To come.
That's working. What docket? Announcement.
Yes, I saw it. No. You don't know stop. No, I'm saying.
Same.
Hey, how you doing, Jennifer? You come on up.
I'm also. Your own. Notification, put my name on it.
Oh, you can white. Yeah, you can white it out.
Which one you say that's some years? 5 years.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Apparently, Ms. This is cause number 26 CCCR 0212, case of style, the state of Texas versus Rodrigo Alberto Martinez. And Mr. Martinez speaks Spanish. We have our Spanish translator, attorney, well, Miss Jennifer Araji. And Miss Araji, would you please raise your right hand? You swear affirm to interpret Spanish to English and English to Spanish to help you God?
Yes, sir.
You may put your hand down. How are you doing?
Good judge. Thank
That's
you.
good.
Yourself?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Martinez, his name is Rodrigo Alberto Martinez. Ask him if that is his full name.
Okay. What was the?
Rodrigo Alberto Martinez. Martinez.
It's Martinez.
Martinez. Okay. Ask him to raise his right hand. Do you swear, affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Okay, you may
Yes.
put your hand down. Come and stop.
That's fine.
Okay. Let's see.
Bien.
Yeah, okay. Now, Mr. Martinez, Martinez is represented in this case by his attorney, Kevin Lane. Mr. Lane, how are you doing?
Fine, Your Honor, thank you.
Do you waive a record in Mr. Martinez's case?
We do.
Okay, now, Mr. Martinez, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Rodrigo Alberto Martinez, on or about October 24th, committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated. Do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. To this charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? In public? And are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. I also have before me on my computer a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. You recognize this document? On page 2 of the same document, there's a set of initials on, 2 sets of initials. One set is your attorney initials, KSL, and the other set, RAM. You place your initials on this document next to the line that's titled guilty.
Yes.
On the next page of the same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, Judge.
On the next document, this document is titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. Do you recognize this document? Is this your signature?
Yes, yes, Judge.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box checked state that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Second box is checked states that you're waiving your right to appeal, which means you're giving up your right to appeal. Do you understand that? I also have another document that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, Judge.
I also have another document that is titled For All Foreign Nationals Except Those from Mandatory Notification Countries. Do you recognize this document? Is this your signature?
Yes, Judge.
Now, on page, on State's Exhibit number 1, there's a paragraph at the bottom that is titled Citizenship. And it states that if you're not a U.S. citizen on a plea of guilty or nolo contendere, it may result in your deportation, exclusive from admission to this country, or denial of naturalization under federal law. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Have him the initial below that paragraph. Thank you. Now, Mr. Martinez, before you sign and initial these documents, did someone go over these documents with you in Spanish?
Yes.
And did you understand everything in these documents?
Yes, Judge.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. State, you like to offer State's Exhibit number 1?
So offered, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No objection.
No objection. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Lane, you advised and counseled Mr. Martinez Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Martinez, are you satisfied with the services of your attorney, Mr. Lang?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, and Mr. Lang, pursuant to the case of Padilla versus Kentucky, did you advise your client to the consequences of him pleading guilty of no contest since he is not a citizen of the United States?
I did, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Martinez, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
What's the agreement?
The essential terms as follows: 1 year's deferred probation, 40 hours community service, $500 fine, DWI standard terms and conditions, and interlock.
What's the court cost?
We're not to.
Okay. Mr. Martinez, the state is offering that you serve 1 year deferred adjudicated probation. During the 1 year probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $500. You'll be required to pay court costs in the amount of $392. You're required to pay a DWI conviction fee in the amount of $100. You're required to pay a probation fee of $60 a month. Your analysis fee of $15 a month. Reimbursement fee of $15. You also be required to pay Jefferson County DWI education fee of $125 on the day of the plea. Should a further evaluation be needed, you'll be required to pay an additional $50. Your total monthly installments is $173 a month. Are you able to pay that?
You said 170?
173.
Yes, Judge.
You'll also be required to install an interlock device on any vehicle that you own or operate. You're required to pay a DWI, well, you're required to attend and complete a DWI education class. You're required to have an alcohol assessment. And you're required to adhere to the other standard terms and conditions of DWI probation. Do you understand? And do you understand the state's offer? Do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. And who was the person that came up earlier that it helped interpret? Who's that person? She's sitting right there.
Yes.
What's her name?
What's your name?
Irma?
Irma. Mendoza. She, who is she to you? They can't name us. It's his name.
His wife? Okay. Mr. Martinez, if you successfully complete this probationary period, this case will be dismissed and it will not result in conviction on your record. Who's next? Who's next? Okay. And you may qualify for non-disclosure. You can talk to your attorney about the non-disclosure. All right. Tell him to stand before the clerk. Aaron Wars.
Okay, right.
Did you get that signed? Okay. Who's next?
This was with the trial case.
I don't have it.
That last one.
Just say this.
I got trials starting at once, last time, all the way.
Mr. Wilkerson. I think they might have had some people here before you. I think they had some people here before you.
Okay.
Like
I mean, I just need a
Crenshaw.
reset on one and.
Okay, just hold on, Mr. Crenshaw.
Judge, if we could please call Mr. Walker's case first, I'd like to get
Oh.
John out of here.
Okay,
It's a case where I filed a motion withdrawal.
oh, you did?
Yes, I'm just asking granted and.
Oh, let me see. Walker. Oh, okay. This is cause number M 331-200, case style of the state of Texas versus Justin Patrick Walker. Mr. Walker, is that your full name? Give me a copy of that motion.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Walker? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Walker, you represented in your case by your attorney Corey Crenshaw. And Mr. Crenshaw, how are you doing?
I'm good, Judge. Thank you.
Well, that's good. Let me do this. This is on pre-trial. Hold on, I'm gonna pull your motion up right quick.
I got it.
You do?
Yeah, I'm ready for it.
Okay. Now, Mr. Walker, your attorney, Mr. Crenshaw, has filed a motion to withdraw in your case. Have you received a copy of that motion? Do you have any objections to Mr. Crenshaw withdrawing? Okay. Okay, Mr. Crenshaw, I'm going to grant that motion to withdraw. You'll relieve your duties and responsibilities to Mr. Walker in this case.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Okay. Now, let me do this here. Mr. Walker? Now, since Mr. Crenshaw has been allowed to withdraw in this case, you have a right to have an attorney. Regarding your right to have an attorney, you have three options. Number one, you can hire an attorney. Number two, if you want an attorney but you cannot afford to hire an attorney, you may request that an attorney be appointed to represent you. And number three, you may represent yourself. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Now, We can give you, the bailiff is gonna give you a document. It's called Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. It has that information on it. You'll make your choice. And then we'll call you back up. Okay, she's gonna give you that paperwork. Yeah. Make sure he has a clipboard, okay.
Judge, I believe that they're in negotiations with retaining new counsel.
Oh, they are?
Yes.
Oh,
And so I don't think,
well, no, I think he's gonna do on that, just put it,
He's
that
gonna
he wants to
market the
hire,
other one.
that he wants to hire.
oh,
Yeah, that's all.
What game was it doing?
so time on, check right there. So. Yeah.
We're gonna give him a reset date.
Yeah.
What's the day? It is first. Okay, now, Mr. Walker, I have before me a document that's titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. You recognize this document?
Yes.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes.
And are these your initials on the line that state you would like to have your case reset to hire your own attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, now, Mr. Walker, before you sign and initial this document, did you read the document? Did you understand what you read?
Yes.
And is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Mr. Walker, you're gonna stand in front of the court coordinator. She will reset your case. Once your case is reset, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day. Here you go. Here you go. Okay, now, Mr. Estes, motion to withdraw.
Objections, Mr. Wilkerson has a trial, I don't mind. Who? Mr. Wilkerson has a trial to get to. I
Okay,
don't mind you, calling his case.
okay, that's fine. Okay, now, next case is Travis Gage. Mr. Gage, your full name is Travis Gage? How are you doing, Mr. Gage? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking, Ms. Gage. You're represented by your attorney Marcus Wilkerson. And Mr. Wilkerson, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Judge. Thank you.
That's good. Now, Mr. Wilkerson, what's your announcement in Mr. Gage's case?
Your Honor, on May 19th, the court signed an order for an evaluation by Dr. Rapon regarding the defendant's state at the time of conduct.
Has it,
That
has,
evaluation has not been completed
Okay.
as of yet, so I just
We're
need
gonna-
a 30-day.
standard reset, okay. We're gonna give him a standard reset. Is that June 20? You're gonna do June 29th? Okay, this case is gonna be reset to June 29th, 2026. Mr. Gage, you're gonna get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Wilkerson, you have a.
I do have one more, Judge, but I don't think he's here.
Oh, well, he's in custody. No, 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 no,
Is
no,
he?
no, no,
He
no.
also has-
Marcus Wilkerson, Brian Smith,
Yes.
he's in custody.
Okay, he also has a pending felony.
Right, so we'll check the status of the felony. Once if it's reset, we'll reset it to the same day. If not, if it's planned or something, then we'll probably put it on a docket for Thursday.
Okay,
All right, you're free to go. You have a blessed day.
thanks, Judge.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Gage, okay. Kristen, Dawes,
Yes, Judge.
Kristen, is that her?
She's right over here.
Oh.
Good news on this one, Judge. Ms. Dawes was denied for pretrial diversion, but I just need to get them copies of her scripts, her prescriptions, and this case is, the offense date is old.
Right.
She was in the hospital for a long time. So anyway, I'm working on getting a copy of those prescriptions to the DA. If we could just
Is it
reset it
for,
2 weeks.
okay, give us a 2-week reset.
So I'll be back already on June 15th, and hopefully I'll have those prescriptions for them.
You said June, you said the 17th? That's what he said.
No.
Mr. Crenshaw,
Yes.
that 17th date is good for you? You said something like you'll be back.
I would rather the 15th. Yes.
Okay,
Because I'm
June-
already here on the 15th.
Okay. So this case will be reset to June 15th, 2026. You get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And you have a best day. Juan Arnaldo McGallan? Arnaldo. Juan Arnaldo. Okay, this is cause number 24 CCCR 0748. Case is style of state of Texas versus Juan Arnaldo McGallan. Mr. McGallan, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. McGallan?
Doing okay, about yourself?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. McGallan, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Corey Crenshaw, and Attorney Crenshaw. What's your announcement in Mr. McGallan's case?
Judge, this is the lab work in this case was done by an out-of-county lab, and I thought it was our local lab and I could easily get the records, but since it's out of county, I'm gonna file a motion for the blood discovery and get that done. And so if we could just come back for another pretrial conference, I think once I get those blood records, we'll know whether this is either gonna be a
Yep.
trial or like.
Give us a reset date. Okay,
Isn't it open?
June 29th. This case is set June 29th, 2026. Mr. McGallan, you get your reset from the court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir, thank you.
Juan Francisco Rodriguez. Rodriguez. Let's see, Mr. Rodriguez has
2 cases, Judge.
2 cases. Well, let me see, Rodriguez. Okay, look like you were just hired on this one in March of 2026.
Yes,
Is that
Judge,
correct?
and we're still making payments.
Yeah.
I just wanted to put that with that so you can see the date on his reset.
This is Mr. Oh, this is somebody else. Okay, now, have you received your discovery in this case?
I have the discovery, Judge, yes.
What
but-
about the offer? Did you get an offer from the state?
Well, I believe I got an offer the last time we were here, Judge, but we're still making payments. So.
Well, but I mean, we need to, that's not a reason for, us, resetting the case. Now, do you need, more time in which to prepare for the case? Because the case is set, it's on our pretrial docket right now.
Right, Judge. Yeah,
And I would imagine, the reason why we set it on the pretrial, put it in a posture for trial.
right. So.
So,
And that's
we
kind
can
of the
move it to
posture.
the trial, we can move it to our trial docket.
It's up to you, Judge.
Yeah,
We're fine coming back on one more pretrial conference docket, but if you'd rather put on the trial docket, that's fine.
well, let me see, you just hired on it, just March, hold on a minute, hold on a minute. Let me look at the other, now you hired on both cases at the same time?
No, I was hired on one and then I got hired on the other.
And, okay, hold on a minute, Rodriguez. He got, let me see, 24, 25, this must be the first case right here. Yeah. Oh, yeah, this is old letter rep, this one 24. Now, the reason I guess, I'm just The reason why it didn't go forward was because they had the new case coming down. It was waiting on that.
We've been waiting on that, Judge.
Okay, so now you got two case, what I'm gonna do, let me ask you this here. Do you have bond conditions? Are you required to have an interlock?
What do you know?
No, he probably doesn't have one if he's asking. Give me,
They're both DWI first.
yeah, I know, we got two DWI.
Well, I don't understand that, Judge, but I'm just saying, you
Yeah, so we're gonna give him some bond conditions,
understood, Judge.
yeah. Okay, Mr. Rodriguez, I'm gonna give you a document that is titled Standard Bond Conditions in County Court at Law Number 2. You'll be able to get a copy of these bond conditions. And it states standard bond conditions in County Court at Law Number 2 form. Following the return of a criminal information in County Court at Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed for release of any defendant named herein are ordered subject to the additional condition. Number 1, defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state, or of the United States. Do you understand that condition? Condition number 2, the defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who A, refuses to submit to test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so by the court, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol, and the test indicates the presence of drugs and alcohol in the defendant's body. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Now, condition 3 does not apply. Condition number 4 does apply, and condition number 4 states that the defendant whose information charges any offense listed under section 49.04 through 49.06 of the Texas Penal Code shall not operate any motor vehicle unless the vehicle is equipped with an interlock device mechanism that makes it practical to operation of the vehicle if ethyl alcohol is detected in the breath of the operator, and said device shall be installed at the defendant's expense with written verification of such installation being submitted to the court on or before 3 days after the date. Do you understand that condition?
Yeah.
And condition number 5 states the defendant shall not obtain, maintain, well, the defendant shall obtain, maintain, pay for, and have no violations with an initial interlock device or mobile breath device. Any violation will be grounds for revocation. Do you understand that condition?
Yes.
And condition number 6, defendant must attend NA meetings 3 times a week and provide proof to the court. Going to give you a document. I'm gonna give you 2 documents. You can hand this to your client. First document is locations that you could attend NA meetings, and the second 2 pages are documents that you're required to bring to NA meetings. They'll sign it to verify that you have been attending, and when you come back to court, the time you come back to court, you're gonna bring that sheet back so we can verify that you've been attending. Okay, you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you violate any one of these conditions, your bond can be revoked. And if your bond is revoked or warrant issued for your arrest, you'll be arrested. You'll be arrested and placed in the Jefferson County Jail. Your case is being reset. And when your cases are being reset, you'll be able to get a copy of these bond conditions from our court coordinator. Stand in front of the court coordinator, get your reset and the bond conditions. He's on the pre-trial conference docket. Yes. You can stand in front of the court coordinator and you can get a copy of these bond conditions and you're reset and you'll be free to go. Okay, Aaron Stansberry. Mr. Stansberry, your full name is Aaron Joseph Stansberry.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Stansberry?
Good, you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And Mr. Stansberry, you're representing your case by your attorney, Attorney Crenshaw. Mr. Crenshaw, what's your announcement?
Judge, this is kind of a unique situation. We filed an expunction. We're waiting on that to get granted on another matter. And then his case will be approved for pretrial diversion.
Okay.
So
Okay.
they won't approve him until it's been.
Mr. Thomas, your full name is you pronounce it Michael?
Michael Thomas.
Michael Kareem Thomas?
Correct.
How you doing, Mr. Thomas?
Fine, how much is it?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Thomas, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Recorder Crenshaw. And Mr. Crenshaw, what is your announcement in Mr. Thomas's case?
Mr. Thomas, and I are still trying to get this resolved and we've been unable to do that, but I do think we're close. If we could come back for one more pretrial conference, I think we'll be able to get it done. If not, and the court wants to just place it on the trial docket, that's fine too.
Yeah, let me just put it on the, this is a 24 case. We can put it on the trial docket. Okay. Give us a reset date. This is Thomas, okay. This,
29th.
yeah. It's set for trial, okay. This case is reset, till June 29th of 2026. Mr. Thomas, you'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day.
You too.
Okay, Mr. Oh, yeah, that's it. Which we're on now. Okay, and Mr. Crenshaw, you free to go as well? You have a blessed day. Mr. Okay, I called him before. Let's see, we got anything?
That dismissal is still on there.
He's waiting, waiting to sign somebody up, that Wars. You just gotta sign, you have to sign him up right on that.
You can get a signature.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Cole,
I have one on Zoom.
okay. Okay. Okay, this is cause, is that Duhon? Which one is that Duhon? Lee, Stephen Lee?
Yes.
This is cause number 25 CCCR 1974. Case of style of state of Texas versus Stephen Lee. Which one is Mr. Lee?
I'm right here.
Okay, Mr. Lee, you need to take your hat and your eyeglasses off. You're in court. Okay, now, Mr. Lee, how are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you doing all right?
Well. Nah, not well, but
Okay.
my day, so.
Okay, now, Mr. Lee, you're represented by your attorney, Giles Cole. Mr. Cole, how are you doing?
Great, Judge.
I'm doing fine now, Mr. Cole. What's your announcement? let's see, this is on the announcement doc. Now, Mr. Cole, have you received discovery in this case?
Yes, sir, Your Honor. I haven't had time to talk to my client. I'm asking for 30 days just to get the offer to him and.
Okay, so you have an offer
Yes.
as well as, okay. Now, Mr. Lee, give us a reset date. You say June 29th. Mr. Lee, your case will be reset to June 29th, 2026 at 9 a.m. On that day, you need to be in court in person. Stay in contact with your attorney. We'll be praying that you have a speedy recovery. You say you wasn't feeling too good. So we pray that you recover from your illness. And Mr. Lee, you're free to go. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman, and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir.
All right, you have a blessed day. And Mr.
I have a few more on the docket.
Okay, yeah, Mr. Cole, we have Derek Simeon.
He's in custody.
Oh, he's in custody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so he was arrested in jail, arrested in court.
Okay.
Okay, arrested in court. You have anybody else? All right, then. No, that's it for you.
Good to see you.
Hmm?
I believe so.
Okay, you free to go and you have a blessed day. Miss, Hmm? Oh, he does?
Free trial conference, Dominic White.
Dominique White?
He's here, Your Honor. I had the discovery, but I need to get Mr. White in to see me. And we had an appointment, but because of me, I couldn't keep it. And I asked for a real short reset.
Okay, because yeah, he was supposed to plea today. That was, it said reset for a plea on June. Okay, we can give him, what about a 1 week reset?
That'll be fine.
Okay, let's reset him for 1 week. He's on the, pretrial conference, yes. Okay, this case is reset to June 8th. Okay, Mr. White, you get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go stay in contact with your attorney and your boss. You have a blessed day. Mr. Lage. Mr. Lage,
Yes, Your Honor.
you have Jason E. Bell.
Yes, Your Honor, if you hold for just a minute.
Okay, I'll hold on it. Okay,
Not long, I'll coordinate for sure.
okay, okay.
Okay. It's on your mind. I don't know.
Jeffrey Lee Matthews, Mr. Kimler. Okay, Mr. Kimler, this is cause number 24 CCCR 1035, case of Style of State of Texas versus Jeffrey Lee Matthews. Mr. Matthews, is that your full name? How you doing, Mr. Matthews? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Matthews, you're represented by your attorney, Ralph Kimler. Mr. Kimler, how are you doing?
Well,
And Mr. Kimler, what's your announcement?
I was waiting for the state. See if they're ready.
We filed a motion for continuance on this one due to an unavailable witness.
Let's see.
Sure. Thank you.
Oh. Let's see. Kimler. This is Matthews. Yeah, Jeffrey Lee. Okay, and Turner, it was a transfer from next door. Is this his first, you have any objections like the state's first motion? Tim?
No, opposed.
Okay. Okay, it's granted. Give us a reset, give us a court date. This case will be reset for trial on June 29th. Okay, you get your reset, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. Yes, next, who else we have? Jill Renee Rios. It's another case that's transferred from next door.
Mr. President, sir.
And Ms. Rios, how are you doing?
I'm sorry, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Rios, you're represented by your attorney, right, Kimler. Mr. Kimler, what's your announcement?
That's the first state, Your Honor.
Already, Your Honor.
You're not? I don't see a motion for continuous in this one. Yeah, so I'm just gonna, keep this one open. We'll see you at 1:30.
Yeah, 1:30.
Okay. Now, next case, Fred Toots.
Oops.
Fred Allen Toots.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I'm looking at, that. Had so many. Mr. Toots, how are you doing?
All right, yourself.
Oh, this is the #1 setting. Hey, Mr. Kimler, what's your announcement?
The first state, Your Honor.
We're dismissing this case, Your Honor.
Okay, to be dismissed. Okay.
Is she free to go, Your Honor?
Yeah, that's fine.
He's
Yeah,
free to go?
yeah, yeah. We'll just give a copy of the reset to you.
Good luck. Gotcha.
Okay, next case, Arlington Austin Wood.
I believe there's two cases here, isn't there?
Oh, yes, two. Yes, and Arlington Austin Wood, is he here? Okay, now Arlington Austin Wood is scheduled to be, he's not on Zoom, he's not on Zoom. Arlington Austin Wood was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 AM, at about 9 AM. Arlington Austin Wood name was called by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. He didn't answer. He has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 11:43 AM on today's date of June 1st of 2026. Miss Bailiff, Miss Bailiff, would you please call the name of Arlington Wood at the courthouse door?
Arlington Wood.
Okay, Arlington Wood's name was just called again at the courthouse door. Arlington Wood did not answer. Reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Wood an opportunity to appear in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor, move to for bond forfeiture.
Arlington Wood's bonds will be forfeited in both cases. A warrant shall be issued for his arrest in both cases and cause numbers 25 CCCR 2008 and cause number 26 CCCR 0301. Let's see. Yeah. And Mr. Kimbler, we have cases on the announcement docket. We have Aaron Ashcraft. Please come forward. Miss, yeah, Miss Ashcraft, we have two cases. Cause numbers 24 CCCR 0533 and cause number 24 CCCR 06. Excuse me, clause number 24 CCCR 2646. Ms. Ashcraft, your full name is Erin Ann Ashcraft. How are you doing, Ms. Ashcraft? You doing okay? Okay, well, okay. We'll hopefully try to get you out of here as soon as we can, so that you can take care the pain that you.
Dental issues, you're.
Oh, it's dental. Okay. Well, now, Mr. Kimberly.
Problem.
We're gonna reset Ms. Ashcraft's case for trial.
Hello?
The speaker is his.
Go, do it again, Judge. He should be able to hear you.
Mr. Lakey? Mr. Lakey? Okay, Ms. Provo, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine, Judge.
And what's your announcement in Mr. Lakey's case?
You know, I would like to explain this for another set. I just got the discussion the other day. I'm still waiting for, I think, the audio, and he has 5 cases. And also,
He has some felony cases too, doesn't he?
yes, he has some felony cases also. He's on, but I inherit this from.
When is his felony cases
It's like the
set?
trial set for 6/22.
Let's say on the 22nd of June? Okay, we're gonna set his cases for the same day, 22nd of June. You gotta contact your client and let him know that his cases are reset to on the same date of his felony cases.
Okay. Is this on the announcement from? Definitely announcement.
Yeah, they're on. So that's.
May I be excused?
Yes, you should contact your client, cause he probably
I
gonna
will.
stay on, no.
Okay. I'll contact him if these are.
Okay. Okay, so it's gonna be a recess
I think it's on Friday.
on troops. Oh, that was Mr. Kimball's case. Did Mr. Make it ever come back on Lawrence?
He came back in here. He left back out. I know you went to 252nd. But I'm pretty sure they're gonna look. I don't know.
Okay, so we're being reset.
You did, you got to do 1 and 2?
I'm going to, sir.
Okay.
What happened, Mr. Burbank?
He came in here too. I don't know.
Okay, the court being recessed. Till 1:15. Yeah. Court being recessed till 1:15.
Thank you.
Yeah.
This is that.
You're gonna have to, we have, Mr. Mr. Paget.
For who?
I don't know. I see him on Zoom.
Mr. Patrick?
Yeah. He's out there.
Make sure you put your hands up when you come back in my phone.
Your Honor, the reason I couldn't wait.
Mr. Paget, can you hear me? See,
Yes, sir, I hear you good.
Yeah.
We have a speaker.
Yes, Your Honor. It's Miss Nixon's case on a Mr. Gregg.
I don't know what happened to my son, that's what happened.
I hear everything.
Take yours off. Take yours off my back.
He's gonna make it one turn next.
Oh, okay, I see you now, Your Honor.
Mr. Lakey, your attorney was just here. Your cases have been reset to the same date of your felony court date, which is June 22nd. At 9 a.m. On that day, you need to come check in here first and then go to your felony case. And then when you're finishing your felony, you'll come back here. You're free to go. You have a blessed day. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. And Mr. Paget?
Your Honor. Yes, Your
You
Honor.
have another case?
Yes, Your Honor, I have a Travis Gragg, and the only reason I'm coming on this late was I just received a text from Miss Nixon. We were waiting on a restitution amount. Miss Nixon's going to dismiss the case for restitution. And we just discovered what it was, like 10 minutes ago, I received a text from her.
Okay,
So
And-
we just needed 30 days for him to pay the $500, and Miss Nixon was gonna file a motion with the court to dismiss the case.
okay, we gonna do that June 29th.
Yes.
Okay, this case, will be reset to June 29th. You said his name is Greg?
Travis Gragg,
Okay.
and it was just reset, Your Honor, just to
Yeah, I
determine
see
the
it's
restitution.
Greg. Okay,
And
so
it
we're
was,
gonna reset it to June 29th, 2026 at 9 AM. Okay,
No problem, Your Honor. It'll be
All
taken
right.
care of by then. I appreciate your time.
all right. You free to go? You have a blessed day.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. You too.
Okay.
Have a great day. Whatever you want. I respect that.
Mhm.